Importance of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is known as AI. AI is used in demand forecasting, medical diagnosis and oil exploration. AI is used in decision-making as well. Robots can do dangerous jobs. Robots are machines that do not have any sort of emotions, their decisions can't be influenced, and the decisions taken by machines will be accurate and apt. AI is used in medicine, finance, and engineering. It offers high efficiency. AI reduces human involvement, and you can get the work done by the system or machine itself. AI helps children with disabilities or the elderly. It helps humans avoid risks in research in space exploration. AI is used in the medical field. It can help doctors with lengthy medical procedures. Robots can do specific jobs. Robots don't get ill, they need to be charged or refueled. Robots can be used to teach children or read to them. They can help children with autism immensely, and they take care of the sick. Robots can do many things that people can do and things that people are unable to do. Artificial intelligence risks. AI will displace many low-skilled jobs. Robots can take many jobs on the assembly line. AI is used in hacking security systems and cracking encryption. Self-driving cars have a high-risk target for this kind of attack. The drone can track an individual, it can fly autonomously, and perform various tasks. AI can't develop soft skills critical to workplace development and growth.